Welcome to my channel, where I test and review the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, I have a special treat for you. I'm going to reveal the top 5 best self-charging robot vacuums that will make your life easier and your floors spotless. These are not your ordinary vacuums. They are smart, powerful, and self-sufficient. They can sense their surroundings, avoid obstacles, and return to their bases when they need to recharge. They are like having your own personal maid, but better. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Number 1. iLife V80 Max Mop. The iLife V80 Max is a powerful robot vacuum and mop combo with 2000 pascals suction, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Alexa compatibility. It features a large 750 ml dust bin, making it suitable for cleaning pet hair, hardwood floors, and carpets. The robot can be controlled remotely using the iLife app and offers a mopping function for simultaneous sweeping and mopping. With advanced sensors and multiple cleaning modes, it efficiently navigates your home and provides a thorough clean. Its long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, and it automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is low. The V80 Max is designed to navigate efficiently throughout your home. It uses advanced sensors to detect obstacles and avoid collisions, preventing damage to both the robot and your furniture. Additionally, it has a low-profile design, enabling it to reach under furniture and into tight corners for thorough cleaning. Number 2. LaReezer L6 Pro Robot Vacuum. The LaReezer Robot Vacuum and Mop is a high-tech cleaning device that is designed to make cleaning effortless. With its powerful 3500 PA suction, the vacuum can easily pick up pet hair, dust, and debris from your floors. Additionally, the robot vacuum features an auto dirt disposal system, which means you don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin frequently. The device can be controlled using the app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to start, stop, and schedule cleaning sessions, as well as adjust the suction power. Furthermore, the vacuum works with Alexa, which means you can easily operate it using voice commands. This vacuum also features a mop function, which allows it to mop and vacuum at the same time, giving your floors a thorough clean. Number 3. LaFont M210 Robot Vacuum. The LaFont M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a highly efficient and convenient cleaning solution for your home. Equipped with tangle-free technology, it ensures hassle-free operation by preventing hair and debris from getting tangled in the brush. With strong suction power, it effectively captures dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces. Its slim design allows it to effortlessly glide under furniture and hard-to-reach areas for a thorough cleaning. The vacuum operates with low noise levels, allowing you to maintain a peaceful environment while it cleans. Thanks to its automatic self-charging feature, the robot vacuum returns to its charging dock when the battery is low, ensuring that it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Number 4. Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus. The Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus is an advanced robot vacuum and mop cleaner that offers exceptional cleaning performance and convenience. With its self-emptying function, the vacuum automatically empties its dustbin into a separate dust bag, reducing the need for frequent manual emptying. It boasts powerful suction of 2600 pascals, allowing it to effectively capture dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Featuring laser-based LiDAR navigation, the Deebot N8 Pro Plus intelligently maps and navigates your home, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. It can detect carpets and automatically adjust its suction power to provide optimal cleaning results on different floor types. The robot vacuum also supports multi-floor mapping, allowing it to remember and navigate multiple levels of your home. Number 5. iLife VEase Pro Robot Vacuum. The iLife VEase Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle pet hair, hard floors, and low-pile carpets. Its tangle-free suction system ensures hassle-free operation, while its slim profile allows it to easily reach under furniture and tight spaces. With automatic self-charging capability, the robot vacuum can return to its charging dock when the battery is low. You can conveniently set a daily cleaning schedule, ensuring that your floors stay clean without any effort. The vacuum cleaner is specifically designed for homes with pets, providing effective hair removal and maintaining a clean and hygienic environment. Its pearl white color adds a touch of elegance to your home decor. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.